Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you where is the VIN number of your car and what does the VIN number stands for. The vehicle identification number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide access to vehicle history and equipment. First VIN number you can find is located on the bottom of the front windshield. Next VIN number is located behind the passenger's doors. Last VIN number is located under passenger seat and right here under the rear passenger door lock. There is one more VIN number we can find in software settings of the car. Now let's take a look at the VIN number and decode it. First three characters typically denote car manufacturer. Characters from 4th to 9th or 10th position describe model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters for unique serial number for identification. But these are not all informations we can get from VIN. Thanks to VIN number, we can also learn about vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services or government agencies. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.